The first type, time, zaman, time. There are certain actions in Sharia where the time has been specified by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. For example, fasting in Ramadan, Ramadan is fixed. For example, the 5 times of Salah, the time has been fixed by our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The season and the days of doing Hajj specified by Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. My brothers and sisters, this time is from Allah, from His Messenger, it is accepted. But if someone else who doesn't get wahi obviously, puts in a time and recommends it or makes it compulsory, amara ijab wala istihbab, either he makes it compulsory or recommended, a time. For example, someone says, do this action on the first Thursday of every month. Now, if a person is recommending you do this, it's an act of ibadah on the first Thursday of every month, this becomes an innovation because the time has been fixed, which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not fix. Now, for example, if we have a religious program, Islamic gathering, a lecture, a talk, and we fix a time, we will have this program on every Sunday evening. Now, we know Sunday evening people are free, it's easier to get an audience. No problem. This is a matter of worldly scheduling, worldly convenience, no problem. But if a person says that you get more reward by keeping a program on Sunday evening, or it is compulsory to come for a program on Sunday evening, in religion it's compulsory, then it becomes innovation. If you say this is only to facilitate things for people, it's not a problem inshallah. It's a worldly matter of scheduling things, no problem inshallah. But if you give religious significance and a turn to it, it becomes an innovation. I hope we understand this.